All right, Miles. We are going to do our red words today. We're going to do 2 red words, but we're just going to film one of them. Okay? So are you ready to hear the first red word?
Yes.
Okay. We're at Gigi's house, so we don't have our tokens to push, but we, how about I will draw dots for the sounds that we hear in the word.
Okay.
Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So our word today is the word put, like,
Put that down.
yes, like, please put that down. That's right. So let's talk about the sounds or let's talk about how many sounds we hear in put. Okay, so can we slow it down and stretch it way out? Here we go. Ready? You want to do it with me or just watch me do it this time?
Watch you.
Watch me? Okay.
Do it.
Do it too? Okay. You ready? So, t. How many sounds is that?
3.
3. Very good. How many dots do we have?
3.
3. Very good. So let's talk about each sound and how it's spelled. So the first sound is p. How do we spell that?
P.
P. Very good. So we've got a P right there. That would be a green part because it's spelled how it sounds. Now the next sound is and we haven't really talked about that sound yet. We've talked about a U before, but when we talked about it, it makes what sound? Good. But in this word, the U makes the sound. So p, and then t.
T.
T, very good. So we spell it p, t, put. Can you think of a sentence with the word put? Oh, wait, you already did, didn't you?
Yeah.
Can you say it again?
Put that down.
Yeah, put that down. That's a command. That's telling someone something to do. Please put that down. I guess you didn't say please, did you? You just said put that down.
I did put that down.
Put, the word put, I looked it up. It's from late Old English. So it's from a long, long, long time ago. And it's from the word putian or putin, which is to thrust, push, or shove. So I guess when you put something down, it's like you're thrusting it onto the table. That means like you're forcefully putting it down onto the table.
Oh.
So that's where that word comes from. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are going to do our red word procedures. And we're going to use our screen and our red crayon and then our red word paper to help us do that. We had to print on one side, so it's not double-sided, it's one-sided today. So I'm going to do it, I'm going to show you first, and then you can do it on yours, okay? So we're going to do put. So we already decided p is spelled P, and then is spelled with what?
U.
U. And then t is spelled
T.
T. Good job. All right, here is your screen. And you're going to practice writing it on your red word paper. Yep, you got your screen under there.
We don't have that, I forgot.
I love that idea. You can, but you don't have to. I like that you're doing it, though. Very good job. What word was that again?
Put.
Put. Very nice job. Let's put your crayon down. Do you see what I did? Okay, and we're going to practice spelling across our bodies. So, can you take this hand and put it on your shoulder? Yep. And now can you watch me first?
Yeah.
Okay. P-U-T, put. Now, can you do it with me?
Yeah.
Okay. P-U-T, put. Good. Now let's do it 2 more times. P-U-T, put. Can you do the last one? And you can watch me, but I'm going to be quiet so you do it.
Okay.
Okay?
P-U-T, put.
Good job. Very nice job. And remember, you always can look at your paper if you forget how to spell it, because is it right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, I want you to watch me first. We're going to trace with the screen on the bottom, and we're going to feel the crayon on top. So it's going to go like this. P-U-T, put. That T's real bumpy. P-U-T, put. Ready? I'll say it with you. P-U-T, put. Good. Let's do it 2 more times. P-U-T, put.
P-U-T, put.
Good. Now for the last go, we're going to put the screen on top so you can feel the bumpy part of the screen. And we're going to trace P-U-T, put with the screen. You ready? I'll say it with you. We're going to do it 3 times. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. One more time.
P-U-T, put.
Good. Nice job. Now, can you write put on number 1, please?
I forgot what it looks like.
You forgot what it looks like? What a P looks like?
I never know what P looks like. Just forgot what the word looks like.
Oh, that's okay. So P, what do you remember coming next? You don't remember?
No.
Okay. Can we practice going back to spelling it across our bodies and see if that helps our brain?
Oh.
Or here, we can look. What do you see?
U-T.
Yep, so P-U-T, put.
That's a word kiss.
That's fine.
What the?
What's wrong? That's a T. I can tell that's a T. Very nice job. And what word is that?
Put.
Put. Good job. Now, our sentence was, put that down. Okay. We're going to write the sentence down here. I will write it on my board so you can look at it. And then we're going to underline the word put with red crayon. Put that down. Should we make it an exclamation point?
No.
No, just a period? Okay. All right,
So someone was screaming?
Yeah, put that down. But I just made it a period, so it's like this. Put that down.
Like this. I do not want to actually scream it.
Ooh, I like how you're using finger spaces. You want me to put it back? Are you okay?
Mm.
Let me put it back.
Like what?
Like,
I guess.
okay. So you can write your last word. Put that down.
Done.
And what do you need at the very end of your sentence?
this over quick again. I wanted to do the screaming.
Oh, you want to do an exclamation point? Okay.
Oh.
Looks like that. That's okay. Yep. Can I show you something? If you start your exclamation point all the way at the top, then you'll have room for the dot at the bottom. Perfect. And then can you take your red crayon and underline our red word for today? And what word was that again?
Put.
Put. Very good job. Nice job.